Hey, what up? This Motell Granted the Great. Want to thank God again for another opportunity. Check in, subscribe, Cold Crown, either Motell Granted, either one you can type in for this YouTube. Click the, the thumbs up or either the thumbs down. What else I'm supposed to say? Share the video, comment, or whatever else. Subscribe. All right, now that's out the way. Sex is not better than having a premonition, having a vision of something that's going to happen is way better than sex could ever be. So if you have a vision of something that God give you, and people have been talking about people who have a premonition about their own life, their own safety being threatened, or coming to grips with the fact that they're getting ready to transcend from this world and move on. Having a premonition and a vision of something like that, I imagine, can be soothing. It can be relaxing mentally to know that I'm done with this side. And there's no more bills, there's no more relationship woes, no more worrying about family members or loved ones. It's just all over at that point. So sex is definitely not better than having a premonition. So if you ever have one, or you have a vision about somebody else in a dream, hopefully it's positive. I don't know if I would want to share something that's negative or comes across for somebody, but something good, we're willing to share that information. So let's pass on good information. Let's not pass on bad info. Okay? I love y'all.